Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essential power and connection status so you can act immediately. Once done, place the booster centrally and log into its admin page or companion app. This gives you direct control. Make sure to note the current SSID and admin credentials and take a quick photo of existing settings for backup. Now that you're connected, perform a soft reboot to clear transient errors and proceed to the configuration area to update operational settings. Next, update the firmware to eliminate bugs and enable performance improvements. This prevents wasting time later. Once updated, select the correct operating mode for your network. Mode determines routing and range, so choose carefully. Then change channel and bandwidth to reduce interference and run a signal survey with a phone or laptop to identify dead zones. Adjust antenna orientation and placement in small increments, and verify signal and throughput after each. Now finish by hardening and validating the setup so it stays reliable. You should set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase, change the admin password from default, and disable WPS to reduce attack surface. Then test with several client devices, wired and wireless, to confirm consistent throughput and low latency. Reboot the router and booster together to finalize routing tables and monitor performance for the next 15 to 30 minutes. If the booster still fails, key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.